I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. First time to the channel, thank you so very much for being here. Make sure you hit on that subscription button right below there. Also, while you're at it, make sure you hit on the notification bell as well. If you're returning to the channel, thank you so very much for being here, my loyal subscribers. I do upload every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. On this channel, you're able to get a little bit of YouTube tips, a little bit of me, and of course, a lot of fun. So, you know what to do. Stick around, especially for this video. In this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit of information of how you're able to start your YouTube channel with $0 and 0 cents. So make sure you stick around for that. Now, you know what time it is. Big up segments. Pew! Of course, I want to go ahead and I want to big up Rushcam. So that's Rushcam. He is a Jamaican YouTuber. I really admire his work ethics. He's all about lifestyle and a lot about himself. So you know what you got to do? Make sure you go ahead and you jump on over to his channel. Make sure you like, comment, and share as well. But guess what? Wait until after you're finished with this video. Then you can just jump on over to his video. Now we've got all the formalities out of the way. Let's get into the video. As you know why you're here, we want to find out how is it we're able to start a YouTube channel with $0 and 0 cents to our name. And I do have that information to share with you, and I'm not going to be holding back any at all. Now, you should know that YouTube, it is a marathon and not a sprint. So if you come on YouTube and you think that you're going to be having overnight success, no, I'm sorry. YouTube is very expensive to start, and I'm not talking about monetarily. It takes up a lot of energy, a lot of time, and most importantly, a lot of patience. So if you do not have the last bit, I'm sorry, but you're going to need to get that to start YouTube as well. These tips I'm going to be giving to you, they are in no particular order, so you would just need to just fit them in wherever it suits you. One of the most important things that you're going to be needing to start a YouTube channel is a Gmail account. Once you have a Gmail account, you do have a YouTube account. All you need to do is to go on YouTube and just sign in, and you are there. If you do not have a Gmail account, it's pretty easy for you to go ahead and just create one. Once you create the account, you have all the access in the world to YouTube. The next thing you're going to be needing is something to record on. So that could be your phone, or if you already do have a camera. Many of you already have these very expensive and high-tech phones. So why not take it and turn it into something useful? Now, once you're on YouTube, what you are going to do is to make sure you provide a name for your channel. Also, you're going to go to the About section and make sure to just put some fun facts about yourself so your viewers are able to go ahead and see exactly who you are. Remember, no one knows you, so you would need to put yourself out there. Once you're on YouTube, you're probably going to be seeing a letter where your profile picture would be, or it is just blank. Go ahead and just put a photograph there so persons will be able to know who you are. Do not leave it blank. Do not leave it with letters in it. Because remember, we already know the letters of the alphabet. So there's no need for you to remind us about that. So make sure you put in a profile picture. Another thing which you would need to do is to also create a channel banner. A channel banner is that section at the top of anyone's YouTube channel. Once you go on their page, you're going to be seeing that at the very top. Make sure you create a channel banner and also go ahead and put your social media handles there, so persons are easy to find you right across all social media platforms. I'm also going to be doing a video on that as to how you can create a channel banner. One of the things you would need to make sure that you do have is a long-term goal with YouTube. So once you know why you're doing YouTube and what you intend to get out of YouTube, then you know you are on your way. Another great tip I want to share with you is to make sure you are providing value to your viewers. Why are your viewers coming to your page? Why would you want for viewers to visit your channel? Why do you want for them to subscribe to you? So you would need to know that you are providing them with valuable information, and that will keep them coming back to you and also for them to be subscribing to you. One of the most important tips that you all need to know as well is thumbnails. You need to make sure that you have very attractive thumbnails, so once persons see those, they will be able to click on your video. Once you have attractive thumbnails, without a doubt, persons are going to be gravitating to your channel. I am going to be doing a video also on how you're able to do thumbnail. So if you want to see that, make sure you stick around to the channel for that. Another tool which you are going to be needing is an editing software. Make sure you find one of those free editing software which you're able to use, whether it be on your phones or on your laptops. You can use iMovie, which is very popular. There's Filmora, and there's also Shotcut. I do use Filmora, and I also use Shotcut. But Shotcut is really my go-to editing software. What you would also need to make sure that you know is all the YouTube terminologies. Make sure you know what is click-through rate, what is SEO, which is search engine optimizer. Get familiar with what is retention, and also learn about the views. All of these, they are very important to your success on your YouTube channel. One of the other things which you are going to be needing is good lighting. Make sure when you're recording, because you're starting with $0.00, record during the day. When you record during the day, you are able to get the natural light. And when you're using the natural light, make sure you are facing the window, or wherever the light is coming through, make sure you're facing that area, and you will be able to get some great natural lighting. Now, if you're a person who wants to say, all right, I don't want to go with the natural lighting, but I want to spend just a little bit of money on my YouTube channel, then you're able to go ahead and purchase a ring lighting. Now, a ring light, they are very inexpensive, and then you also have the very elaborate and very expensive ones. But what I'm able to do for you, I'm able to put a link for a ring light, which is the one which I use. I'm able to put that in the link below, so you're able to check that out as well, and you're able to get them on Amazon to purchase. What you will need to also do is to make sure that you make time for your YouTube channel. It does require some amount of time and effort, so you can't just leave it there on its own. You would definitely need to go in and put in the work on your channel. Many persons might not have this, but it is very important, and this is one of the main key when you have a YouTube channel, and that is patience. You have to have patience. You cannot use someone's success and match it with yours. There are some persons who have been on YouTube for years before they actually see success on their channel, and then there are some who just start in a month or two, and then poof, they just blow up just like that. Remember, we are all different, and everything takes time. So try to have patience with your YouTube channel, and of course it will turn around for you. You would also need some amount of consistency for the growth and the success of your channel. You will hear a lot of other YouTubers saying, be consistent, and you're like, everybody's saying the same thing. But yes, YouTube loves when you are being consistent, and so will your viewers. One, when YouTube realizes that you are being consistent on your channel, they will be more in tune to pushing your videos forward. And also for your viewers, when they do know that you are uploading videos very regular, of course they're going to want to come back to your channel and also share your channel with other persons due to your consistency. Another thing, if you are going to be uploading, make sure that you choose a specific day and also a specific time when you are uploading. Your viewers do not want to know that you're only uploading sometimes. Come on, be real now. Just make sure you remain consistent on YouTube, and you will see all the growth happening on your channel. And the last tip I'm going to be leaving with you is be yourself. Be yourself and have a lot of fun while you're here on your YouTube journey. I wish you all the best. And if there's any other tips that you might know or any questions that you do have, just go ahead and leave them in the comment area. If there is also another video, another topic which you would love for me to speak about, just go ahead and drop that in the comment area. I'll be happy to go ahead and do those videos for you. Once more, I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, and it was a pleasure. I wish you all the best on your YouTube journey. Take care and see you in my next video. Bye!